got the roll in my cot. My hands on the nine like I'm checking the time, but I'm holding a Glock. 11 o'clock. It ain't Valentine, but I'm shooting my shot. Put a hole in your heart. I got the roll in my cot. My hands on the nine like I'm checking the time, but I'm holding a Glock. 11 o'clock. It ain't Valentine, but I'm shooting my shot. Put a hole in your heart. I'm loving you not. King of a pop. If Malika's on pop, I'm afraid I won't stop. I say it a lot, a lot. You niggas get out the spot. Y'all say you're the villains that hold the block. Block every shit that's about to pop. Popping you off with a needle, cause we don't believe you. You blow, you blast, you flop. When case closed drop, a tear gon' drop. Whole man gon' cry, that's all they got. Y'all suck, I'm way too hot. Despite y'all punch, I'm still gon' knock. I act like kite to fly to cloud nine to be in my zone. In my zone. I die trying to be the first man to seek the throne. Seek the throne. I draw I light to reach the starlight to shine alone. Shine alone. You know that I buy white fight to see the spotlight and now it's on. I ride I die, but I write I life the haters all die. That's R.I.P. ya. I white be ya the T.O.P. up. The apex I jumped off the VIP ya. Unlike me ya. Giving you rap songs so listen to facts on the B.I.G. ya. Feel like Rhea, feel like Rhea. Want to give me sunk and I feel like Rhea. Glad to give it some.
That bad energy coming, but we move it away. We don't let it come near, yeah. Some people talking trash, but I don't care about their point of view. So yeah. Oh yeah. 'Cause I'm playing the mind.
We ain't from a lot to King Kong. It's only right to us to King Conquer. Blowing up the mind like I'm a big bomber. Even when you high, you try to be humble. Okay, I know you're loving trends. Okay, I know you're running when only the money ends. Oh yeah, you curling this vice of the green like them flashing lights and they invite. In spite if I drive a minute, don't be invited by feelings. You love to hit the lotto and hold a cup of gelato. I'm making videos and photos of you, but come back tomorrow. He said, she said, email the only message you relay. This right inside of this email says order bags from this eBay. When it's 5 in the morning, started calling my phone, telling me she needs money, her bank account got froze. Barry borrow a loan, sorry, give me your own. Told her I don't got money, then she screamed, leave me alone. Nigga, you say you there for me, what the fuck is you telling me? All the doubts and the promises that you made was a slavery. Now I'm lacking some energy, I'm in stress, I need therapy. Get the fuck. Yeah, look, I get 5-star, listen to my light bars. I get light bar, don't listen to that light bra. And I be the reason more I lie, thank y'all. I did Kunleko was never heard, so damn Delilah. Well, that's a song he did, why BNL? And even if I lose it all, my BNL. Say my winning really way too short, can never tell. Say the lyrics carry heavy bars compared to sales. I say you a king, don't you know Bale? It's not a dance, I'm just telling you, do know about it. Only to Yahweh, believe in Yahweh, your talent is valid, don't you worry. Then you getting used, say you hallelujah. You know I'm happy too, I'm at the bar with Golden. Drinking and joking and holding a pack of Canstar. The currency, the dealer, perfectly deliver. The cost of the dilemma, your niggas gon' lose, I choose for the winner. Malika tell need to be in it. Cause they do to the Malika did like it's in Disney. Stand innovation with no fashion. Went out in location, relocation. Oh, y'all change clothes, change clothes.